Hi everyone, today we are back again with another unboxing video, and for today we are going to unbox Baekhyun's third mini album, BAMBI. So let's get started. Wow, I think they call this honeycomb wrap, and it's very environmental friendly compared to bubble wraps. Wow, okay. First is this. Oh my god, bakit may dumi? Okay, it's okay. This freebie from the shop I ordered this from. I ordered this one from Trendy K shop, so you can check them. This is a tote bag. Ang cute ng kanilang freebie, and magagamit mo talaga. That's their first freebie. Okay, let's go to the next one. Na-excite ako. Wow! Ang cute! So, they gave me this one. Coffee. And coffee mix. Wow! I love this. I love coffee. And KF94 face mask, which is very useful. Thank you so much for this. Everything, all their freebies are useful. And the last freebie is this one. Oh, it's so pretty. Ang ganda. So we have here release. So we have here the tracks. I think I could scan this. Let's try it later. So this is their thank you card. So this is their Twitter account, Trendy K shop, and this is their website. So may website sila, candyKshop.com.ph. And tada! The album itself. So we have here the photobook version. Yan, kita nyo ba? The photobook version of BAMBI. Unahin natin yung poster. Okay, so it took me a long time to open this one. Here it is. Okay, natatakot ako kasi baka mapunit. Here it is. Tada! Wow, ang laki. Wow. Oh my god. Ang laki niya, sis! Ayan, hindi siya kasya dito sa camera, pero sobrang laki niya, as in. Parang kasya sa isang wall dito sa kwarto. Okay, let's proceed to the album. Let's open this one. Okay, so here is the photobook version, BAMBI version. I actually ordered the jewel case version din, pero hindi pa siya dumadating. So I decided to unbox this kasi excited ako, and to not wait for the jewel case kasi baka matagalan pa. So tada! Ang cute. Ang ganda nung cover na ganito. So this is the actual photobook. Then folded poster. Okay, let's see this first. Oh, dalawa siya. Okay, so the first one is this. So that's the first one. And for the second one, oh, it's like the large poster, pero may fish lang dito sa bandang mata ni Baek. Ang pogi, super. Okay, so that's for the folded poster. Next, unahin muna natin yung photo po. Mamaya na yung photo cards, and I think this is the lyrics po. I really love the color, which is blue with yellow. So Baekhyun, the third mini album, BAMBI. So, nahirapan talaga ako sa pagpili if BAMBI version or, this is so pretty. Ang ganda. Ang aesthetic tignan. Next, sakit ulo pose. We have that sakit ulo pose by Baekhyun. Sorry. Then, ang ganda nito. Naka-focus siya sa fish. And nandito sa likod si Baekhyun. Ang cute. This is so cute. Ang cute ng mga designs nila. Especially this one. I love this outfit of Baekhyun. Parang raincoat siya, but in a stylish way. And underwater, he's very dashing. I love this too. Yung naka-side view siya. Ang ganda nun. Actually, this is my first mini album of Baekhyun. I don't have his first and second mini album. Black and white. That's cool. And may mga jellyfish sa likod. Ang ganda nung pagkakakuha. Wow! Jellyfishes. This one, I think this is, ito yung cover sa jewel case na dreamy version na in-order ko and a misty version. Dalawang jewel case na in-order ko, the dreamy and the misty one. What is this? Yung lips lang ni Baekhyun. Wow! Bakit ka naman ganyan, sir? I think this one. This one ata. Ito yung picture niya sa dreamy jewel case version. May pa-confetti. Ang ganda. Pero bakit hindi naman kita yung mukha ni Baekhyun dito? Okay. Still, ang ganda. That's it. And that's the end of the photo book. Let's proceed with this one. I think this is the lyrics. I don't know. Lyrics book ba? Lyrics book ata to. Okay, nandun sa loob yung photo cards. I can see it. Okay. So we have here SM ad. SM being SM. And then, unahin muna natin ito. So it is indeed a lyrics book. I love this one. Okay, look guys. I love that. So, if you will ask me what is my favorite in the track list, I would definitely, without doubt, answer Cry for Love. I really love his vocals in this song. The message she's trying to convey. I really loved this song. Super. And of course, BAMBI. And we have here the CD. Nakalimutan ko may CD pala. Okay. So this is the CD for the BAMBI version photo book. So pretty. Okay, so we're done with the lyrics book. Okay, first is the postcard. Ta-da! Wow, I really love it when Baekhyun has these glitters, especially in his hair and in his face. Napaka-sexy tignan. We have here the film strip here. Can you see it well? Okay, let's remove this para makita nyo. Tada! Then we have here this clear card, which is very cute. And for the last one, we have the photo card, and my pull is, nakita nyo na siguro. So my pull is, tada! So I got this Baekhyun na naka-open ang kanyang mouth halfway. And ang pogi-pogi. So I forgot I have these unofficial merch from sold by Munshu. Look at this wax stamp. It's so pretty. So first we have these Sehun and Shumei photo cards and an OT9 photo card. She's very cute, and this is the name of the shop. So we have this, it's like a bookmark, so it's very cute. Look at this baby picture. Huh. And this one, this is so cute. BAMBI Baekhyun. Then this one and this one. Look at those pictures. They're also cute. And the back, it's the same for, yes, it's the same. Then we also have these matte photo cards. This is the first one. Also have these photo cards that are holographic, so it's so beautiful. And we have these cards too, so they are also cute. I forgot to show you the back of these photo cards. Then we have here for the matte photo cards with different colors. I love this, the pink one. We also have this one for this photo card, very cute. It's like the photo card in Suho's solo album. Last one, they are all so pretty. That is all for this video. I hope you like this video. Please leave a comment, a like, and please don't forget to subscribe to my channel for more unboxing videos and giveaways. So thank you all for watching. Bye.